Hello everybody and welcome! Today I will show you how to edit portraits using frequency separation. As you can see on the right of the screen, you have three layers. The first one is the detail layer, the second one is the blur layer, and the third one is the original image. When you want to fix textures, then you use the first layer. When you want to fix the color, then you use the second layer. And after you're done, you can flatten the image. To do all the changes on your image, you can use the healing brush, the spot healing brush, patch tool, and your regular brush. If you have questions about retouching portraits, or you're interested in another topic regarding photography or editing, please leave your questions in the comments below and I'll gladly answer them. And if you want, I can make a video about the topic that you're interested in. Just let me know. And now let's skip about 15 minutes of retouching time to see the end product. And here you can see the original image and the retouched one. Thank you for watching and goodbye.